Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this Halo Smoky Eye look that I created by using drugstore brand Wet-n-Wild palette called Nude Awakening. It looks like this right here. So if you want to see more on how I put this palette to use, just keep watching the video. Okay dolls, I'm going to start out by priming the entire areas of my face using my number 7 Beautifully Matte Primer. I love using this to help to control my oily skin. I'll then be using my Profusion Cosmetics Eyelid Primer, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to take this and blend up all the way towards my brow bone. And once I finish blending, I'm then using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep to help set that primer and to give me a solid colored canvas to work with. Now with the MAC Cosmetics Subtle Brown, I love using this to separate my brow bone from my crease color, and this also helps to warm my eye up for the palette. Loves this palette. Look how pigmented these eyeshadow colors are. I'm starting out with the dark burgundy color and popping that directly in my crease in a windshield type motion. I'm then going to take some concealer and use my e.l.f. Cosmetics concealing brush, dip it onto the concealer, and here is where a lot of patience happens, dolls. I'm going to take my time and gently outline the mobile area of my eye. Just a little bit. I'm going to take my time. You must be patient with this process. I'm going to go ahead and pull my eyelid down and really try to get a sharp precision line. Everything I do on this eye, I'm going to repeat on the opposite eye, but for now, I want to take my time and gently create a halo looking space. Once I get it going with my fingertips, I'm going to go ahead and blend out where I placed the concealer within the halo, as you are seeing, but take your time. Then I'm going to take some highlighter of mine and go ahead and dab it only in on where I placed the concealer. I want to keep it strategically only within where I place the concealer. You don't want to smudge this out anywhere else, just right there. Go back into the palette, and I'm only going to use a little bit more of the burgundy and just, clean up, add a little bit more of it around the halo effect to keep it looking nice and smoky. Repeat the steps on the opposite of the other eye, and then now here's where the blending takes place. I'm going to go ahead, stipple my face blending brush with my foundation, which is by Lancôme. And here's where I begin blending my foundation in over the entire areas of my face. Just as you're seeing it, I'm going to continuously blend. Then I'm going to take some Pro Contour Concealer, and I'm going to use the concealer as a highlight and start highlighting underneath the areas of my eyes. Being by this is a nice halo smoky eye, I want to make sure it's bright enough underneath the areas of my eyes. Take the darker part, which is the contour, and gently start contouring around my cheek area and around the perimeters of my forehead. And then I'll be taking LA Colors, Real Technique Beauty Blender, and blend out underneath the areas of my eyes as well as where I have placed that contour. Blend that out to avoid harsh lines and demarcations. Take a little bit of liquid highlighter, highlight my cheekbone area. I've been addicted to liquid highlight lately. And a little bit of blush, because a little bit goes a long way for me. I'm not much of a blush wearer, followed by my lipstick. And this is going to conclude the video. Not bad. Make sure you check for the Wet-n-Wild Nude Awakening Palette. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.